Before the atomic bomb, before Hitler, before the United Nations, there was a great war. The war, they said it would end wars, but it didn't. In fact, it created a chain of reactions that still affects the world till today. One assassination in 1914 turned Europe into a battlefield. Millions died, and yes, Africans, including Malawians, Nigerians, were dragged into the war. The Africans were forced to fight, forced to carry, for a war they never started and never understood. That's why I'm here doing this series, because the story of World War One, it's our story too, and I'm here to narrate it as it never narrated before. So just be there and understand clearly the story of the First World War. Why did it start? What happened in the trenches? How were African countries got involved, and how was Malawi involved? How did it end? And what happened at the end? What really changed? Okay, I'm gonna narrate this audio story in two languages, obviously English and another one, my local language, Chichewa. So I'm gonna narrate it in a way that you've never heard this story before. So just be there and be following this series. I'm doing this in two languages because whether you're in Blantyre, you're in Chileka, you are in Berlin, you are in Brooklyn, New York, this war affected you. So yeah, just hit the subscribe button, just like, just share, and just comment on the video. Have a nice day. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. It's Shamiuna Narrates as it is on YouTube, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Everywhere you must follow me.